Hi everyone, welcome to the APM tutorial series. In this video, I would like to demonstrate how you can use a case statement in a query to count the occurrence of a specific attribute and display the results as a new column. Here I have a list of traces that show business transactions that are accessed from different global locations. The unique values function provides a distinct values of an attribute and the number of times each value occurs. In this example, the attribute is GeoCity. I can hover the mouse over the bars to see how many traces originated from what cities. Now in each row, I would like to know how many traces are from Zurich and show the result as a new column. And you can do this by using the case statement. Here is a column that displays a count of transactions executed by users in Zurich. And this condition can be modified to show another GeoCity value, such as Phoenix. Also, you can show two locations in separate columns. Here I have two columns, Zurich and Phoenix, showing the number of occurrences respectively for each row. And this structure is a way to count the number of appearances, and this could be any pair of an attribute and a value. Let's see another example. In this query, transactions in the EBS application are grouped by sessions. I would like to identify sessions in which users utilize a search window and determine how frequently it was accessed within the same session. And I can do this by adding the case statement structure, which we created in the previous example, and modify the attribute to EBS action and the value to search. Also, adjust the display label. Hit the Run button to see the results. Now I can see in which session users used the search window and how many times. Now let's take a look at another example. Similarly, I can search for the sessions having text field as the value for the EBS component attribute and how frequently it was used in the same session. Click the Run button to see the results. I can see which session includes text field as the EBS component and their occurrences. Again, you can change the attribute and value and customize the condition to suit your specific requirements. This concludes the demonstration of how to use the case statement in the APM query to count the number of appearances of a specific attribute and show the result in a separate column. Thank you for watching.